Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on coordinate geometry. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given a line C and a point D which is said to be lying below line C. Now we are given two quantities A and B such that A is equal to the x coordinate of point D and B is equal to the y coordinate of point D. We are asked to find if A is greater than B for all values of x and y, or if B is greater than A for all values of x and y, that is option 2, or if A is equal to B for all values of x and y, or if the relationship cannot be determined from the given information, that is option 4. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 1, that is, quantity A is greater. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, from the figure, you can see that line C makes an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis. Hence, the slope of line C is equal to tan 45, that is 1. Hence, the line C can be represented as y is equal to x. And any point that lies below this line will obviously have a y value less than x. That is, quantity B is less than A. You can also put some values and check, and you will see that y is always less than x for all values of x and y that lie below the line C. Hence, we see that A is always greater, giving us option 1 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.